Online education is not just about delivering a lesson online. There's much more than that. With ClassIn, you can manage the school systems, educational sources, and online lessons in one space. School administrators enroll teachers and students to the ClassIn School Management Portal, then schedule lessons for them. Teachers and students will see the course created on their app. Here, they can chat and share materials. Prepare teaching content beforehand and save it on your cloud drive. Don't forget to sort the files that you may need on the lesson too. Okay, time for the lesson. Join the class by simply clicking on the Enter button. Say hi to everyone. Pull up the teaching content that you have prepared. Get the private board out to run a quiz. Check each student's progress in real time. Give students a reward. Time's up. Assign homework to the students so they can revise what they have learned. Upon completion of homework, you will get a pop-up notification. Mark and leave comments. Finally, let's move back to the ClassIn School Management Portal. Evaluate teachers and students based on their learning analysis and check the class highlights. From lesson preparation to learning analysis, everything is at your fingertips on ClassIn. Try it now.